So, God, I hate SciShow. What a stupid channel. Okay, so they have a video about the frickin' Babbage engine, which I've already talked about how it's ridiculous that everybody's obsessed with this damn thing. But yeah, listen, just watch this.
He called his invention the difference engine because it used a mathematical method called finite differences to calculate the numbers. And it worked remarkably well, although not quite at the scale Babbage had originally imagined. In fact, it still works.
What do you mean it still works?
It now lives in the Science Museum in London. But Babbage
Give it a second.
never finished the full difference engine because he got sidetracked by a much more ambitious idea.
He never finished it because it was fucking built in the 1980s. What do you mean it still works? What the fuck are you talking about? What is wrong with you? Why are you like this? Here, let's look up difference engine. Oh, Wikipedia. Notice this? Dude, what the fuck? It was designed in the 20s and first created by Charles Babbage. The first actually built from Babbage's design in the London Science Museum. The same precision, but blah 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 blah. He constructed a small one. The British government was interested. Blah 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 blah. Do 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 do. The incomplete difference engine was put on display. And there. Yeah, okay. And then we got stuff based on it. Okay. In the 1980s, we made real ones. Okay, look. See this one? That's in the London Science Museum? That's one that was built in the 1980s. It's not that one that like, incomplete one that he made that's on display. No. This is one that was commissioned in the 1980s by some rich crazy dude. That's what's on display in the London Science Museum. What are you doing?
In the years that he engine now lives in the Babbage had originally imagined. In fact, it still works.
Because it's only 40 years old. Dude. What the fuck?